Today's learning is phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are two or more words that together act as a completely new verb with a meaning separate from those of the original words. We will see few examples. Stand up, to be on your feet. Minu has been standing up all day. Run away, leave or escape from a place, person, or situation. The man ran away without taking anything. Take away, remove from a certain place. He is carrying a takeaway meal for himself and his friend. Look after, take care of someone or something. I need to look after my car. Look for, to search. John is looking for a new job. Catch up, to improve. She has to catch up on her homework. Move out, to leave a place. The couple decided to move out of their old house. Point out, to show or to make a specific observation. The teacher pointed out their mistake to the class. Take out, to withdraw or remove. Children took out a library book from the shelf. Look back, remember. She looks back on her childhood as a happy time in her life. Take up, start doing a particular job or activity. Lisa has taken up tennis to keep her fit. Come up with, suggest. Three friends came up with new ideas for the annual day performance. Turn off, switch off. Andy is turning off the light. Get in, to enter. The train got in late at the railway station. Ask for, to speak to someone or be directed to a place. When you arrive, ask for Jane. Laugh at, to make fun of. Do not laugh at your friend. Break down, to stop functioning, to fail. The car broke down suddenly.
That's great.
Yes. Hooray!
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.